Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a heavy-duty multi-tool, I believe the Leatherman Surge should be at the top of your list. This is a big tool. It's a little bit heavier than your regular multi-tool. For example, the Leatherman Charge Plus. If I put it side by side, you can see it's bigger. But it has two tools that I believe set the Surge apart from the rest. So we'll talk about them. With the tool open, we'll have access to this heavy-duty set of pliers, premium wire cutters, and it also has a cable crimper at the bottom. On this handle, we'll have access to the small flathead screwdriver, a big flathead screwdriver, and a really nice sharp awl. On the other handle, we'll have access to the regular can opener, bottle opener, and the wire stripper. We'll also have the bit driver for the flathead style bits. With the tool closed, we'll have access to the main blade. Really nice, really sharp. This serrated blade. And now we'll go over the tools that I believe make the Surge better. The heavy duty scissors. They are way more practical and usable than the ones that come, for example, in the Charge Plus, and I have one here. And last but not least, the T-shank adapter that comes in the Surge. It will let you replace different type of saws, files. Very simple. You don't need additional tools to do so, and you can do it quickly on the field. Just like that, and then you put it back. And you're back in business. Thank you for watching the video. If you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and comment. It will help the channel bring more content.